Hey there, in this video I'll show you how you can apply the lowest amount of automatic discount to the user's cart. Let's say you have different automatic discount campaign going on your website and you want the lowest one to apply on the cart. By default, Shopify is applying the best deal. So if there is a 10% off and 15% off campaign at the same time running on the website, it is always going to apply the 15% off. And Shopify default discount does not have any option to prioritize or to say let's apply the lowest one. To do that, you have to install PowerX function creator. This is where you can create any type of discount with different rules. It has a lot of complex rules for applying the discount, and it is very easy to use. So if you see an empty dashboard after you install, you can create your first function by clicking create function. In this example, we will go with the product discount. Product discount is applying the product discount function. So I already have a lot of different functions you can see here. Based on the types, you can see this is product discount, this is for checkout validation, order discount, again another product discount which is applying discount code. These ones are automatic. In this example, I have this example function. I will go to this one. You can see I have two active campaigns. These are two active campaigns. I will delete both of them so we can start again from scratch. No duplication. Let's just remove this. Now I will save this, and I will also come to the website and make sure there is no discount applying in the cart. Let's increase the quantity. We can see no discount here. Let's remove this. All right, we have an empty cart. Now let's create two automatic discount. Using function creator, you can create a function. For example, this is product discount function, and in here you can create different campaigns. Each campaign has its own rule. Think of campaign as a discount, but it has more complex and more ways to set condition for that discount. Let's create one campaign here by clicking add new, and from the list you have conditional discount, you have buy X get Y, bundle discount, volume discount, and more. Let's go with the conditional discount because this one is the best one and you can use this a lot. Let's call this campaign 1. You can see there are customer qualifier, cart qualifier. You can see if product has an item, if it is specific to a market, if you have more, if you can apply based on the total weight of them, if it has certain items or not. And you can also see if this is subscription or not, if it has selling plan, the most expensive, the cheapest one. We have different videos for this one, but you can see that there is a lot of options here. All right, let's just leave this 20% off, and we will just save this. No other configuration. We have one campaign, and let's save this. Now if I come to my cart and let's add a product to the cart, it should apply at 20% discount. This is 20% discount. Now let's create another campaign. I will come here and create another campaign. This is, or we can duplicate the same thing. Okay, just duplicate this, and let's call this campaign 2. This one is applying 10% discount. Let's call this 10%. This message will appear in the card. Okay, the reason I put a discount at the end is because I want you to see the difference. Let's save this. Now this is how normally Shopify works. If I increase the quantity, it is still applying the 20% discount, but sometimes this is not what you want. You want to apply the lowest discount. So what you can do is, it is very easy. Just drag this to the top. Once you put it at the top, it will apply this one on, and it will not ignore this one. If both of them are applying, then it is applying the top one. Let's save this for now. This is the cheapest one, and let's update the cart. Bring the quantity down. You can see 10% applies. Now if I increase the quantity just to make sure, it's still 10% is still applying here because this campaign is on top, and this is how you can apply the lowest amount of discount. Now if this campaign is disabled, for example, I just deactivate this one for now, then this one will apply. Okay, so if I come here, change my cart, and the 20% will apply because the other one we just disable this, and this is inactive for now. That is how you can apply the lowest amount of discount in the cart. The good thing is you can create as many campaigns as you want in here, and it is very easy to manage, especially when you give it a proper name instead of writing campaign 1, campaign 2, like what I did here, you can give it a better name. Let's say this is 10% discount, this is 20% discount, this is a New Year sale, this is a Black Friday sale. That is how you will name your campaign, and it will be easy for the future to find out which bundle is applying currently in the cart. I hope this video has been informative. If you have any question, you can always reach out to us. Thank you.